Hello everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is the first episode of my trip to Norway. Right now I just left from home, going to the ferry to catch up with my friends. So right now there's not really much to it. I'm just gonna cut the video from here till I meet up with my friends. So until then, see ya. Alright guys, so now I'm approaching the gas station where I'm supposed to meet up with my friends. So I guess we'll see if I'm the first person to show up. I'm a little bit early, but I mean, we gotta catch this ferry, so I'd rather be 10 minutes earlier than 10 minutes late, you know. So let's see if they showed up. I mean, we were supposed to meet over here somewhere, but I guess I'll find out in a minute. Let's get through here. All right, turn in here. I can see there are some other people, but it's not the friends that I'm supposed to meet up with. But I guess I'll just hang on where they are and then wait till they show up. Alright guys, I met up with one of my friends and the other one took the other way, so alright guys, now we're approaching the ferry. Got one of my friends behind me and one of my friends in front of me, so we're just gonna check in now. Hopefully it's not going to take so much time, but we'll see. Alright guys, got our tickets. Just gotta get in the right lane. Yeah, and then we're gonna wait for boarding the ferry. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut the video from here.
All bikes, please. Yes.
Alright guys, we are coming on the ferry now. Waited for a long time, but finally we're here, getting on board. Really nice. Probably gonna have some food or something on the ferry. It's gonna take about 2 hours to get to Norway, but that's I would say it's not a lot, but the home trip is gonna be like 17 hours because we take the ferry from Bergen, but this one is a much faster one, so yeah, that's nice to get on board and get to Norway fairly a good time. So yeah, hopefully we'll have some good weather in Norway, but I think I'll just cut the video here and see you guys when I won't get to Norway. Alright guys, so we just got off the ferry. Nice weather here in Kristiansand. The way I think I'm gonna record these videos are just like I think I'm gonna cut a lot in it because I can't just continuously record because it's gonna take up way too much space on my SD card. So once we get out on the road and see something interesting, I'm just gonna start recording, and hopefully it's gonna be turning out to be a good video and good series in general. So yeah, I'll just cut the video from here until we get out on the road. But yeah, nice weather here and nice and safe trip with the ferry. So far so good. First part of the trip, we're going to a city called Grendi, I think. I think it's pronounced that way, but I don't really know. But this is going to be the first stop of the tour. It's about 80 kilometers or something. But yeah, got off to a good start here in Kristiansand. Yeah, so again, there's nothing special to see right now. Once we get to something nice, I'll start recording so you guys have a feeling of how it is to ride here in Norway, and give you the best experience on a YouTube video that I can possibly manage to do. So yeah, hopefully it turns out good. Got a little bit outside of Kristiansand now. The terrain starts to show rocky mountains and woods, beautiful nature and setting in general, and the weather is nice. I mean, like, couldn't really ask for more for start off on this trip. But again, it's pretty flat still right now, and there's not really special things that comes along this way. But if it comes something special, I'll start recording again. It is a little bit hard for me, honestly, to get started on this motovlog thing, because I don't really know how long I can record for. I didn't really test that out before. I was in a bit of a rush, so I'm just gonna make small clips and put it together, and hopefully it turns out good, as I mentioned. But yeah, beautiful terrain so far. Good to be outside of the city, get a little speed on it. Not so much traffic, a little bit right now, but once we get out on the back roads, hopefully it gets a lot better. But yeah, I'll cut the video here, and we'll see you in a bit. So we got out of the city, out on the back roads. A little bit of traffic. I mean, these vans are everywhere. People gonna go from Kristiansand to all kind of places in Norway, so that's what's expected. But yeah, there's the rocky hills start to show a little bit, and the woods, the pine woods everywhere. So yeah, really nice setting, and as I mentioned, really good weather. But for now it's still pretty flat, so there's not really a lot right now, and I have to save space on my SD card, so I'll just cut the video around here, and then we'll get to the spot early today. So maybe I'll do a night ride or something, maybe find some nice place for the sunset. So yeah, but so far pretty beautiful, lovely country. I love Norway. It's a good country to ride a motorcycle in. There's a lot of places, curvy roads everywhere, so that's really what you want to be looking for when riding a motorcycle. But yeah, it's gonna be coming a lot of beautiful places, so yeah, I'll just cut the video here. See you in a bit. This is the first big field that we are seeing. So yeah, there's a lot of places like this in Norway. I mean, like, it's just beautiful, man. Just look at it, riding on these curvy roads, and with this setting, I mean, it's just perfect for motorcycles. It's heaven. All right, guys, right now we've really got out some back roads. I mean, like, what is this? But I guess it's the road for the place we're gonna stay. Maybe we'll be there soon, but these roads are really bumpy. I mean, it's not all roads in Norway that's in the best condition, but it's kind of part of the experience, right? But yeah, I'll cut the video here. Here comes a van. Again, these vans are all over the country, because yeah, it's really popular to go to Norway. Yeah, to see the nature and stuff, but they're quite friendly. Some of them are from Norway too. I saw that one was from Norway. So a big nature country, a lot of things to do outside, outdoor stuff too, hikes and stuff. So yeah, but I think it's not really much to see right here, so yeah, I'll just cut it from here and see where this road leads us. Alright guys, I guess this is the place we're gonna stay for the first stop. Yeah, so guess I'll just see you tomorrow. It was a fast road for the first stop, but yeah, I guess that's gonna be it. Alright guys, so we just went to the store to get something to eat, just a little snacks. Not something special. A little night ride here without the bags. Pretty nice. All in all, a great day. Not really a lot to it. So yeah, great day all in all. Got to the place in time. They were nice and everything. So yeah, I guess I'll just see you tomorrow, guys, and that's gonna be it for this video. Remember to subscribe, like the video, comment, whatever, and I'll see you in the next video.